Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
There we go, we had a 10k subscriber celebration. This is like crazy hopping car coming in. So we've got quite a lot of stuff planned today. I'm hosting a mini car meet with these guys. We've also got a little cozy coupe display over there. We have two of Singapore's finest creations. This one even has like scissor doors. And the main party is happening over here. Hello.
Hello. Aston DB9, right?
This table is just a mess now.
It's DB9
Yeah,
now.
so I'm giving out these stickers.
I'll give it to him.
Yeah, there we go. Financial. Yeah, like the first guy to come.
Yes.
Wait, I need to write a new like.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Okay, that's random. Okay.
Thanks for coming. Love the coupe.
Hey, thanks, man.
Toko, so many people.
What?
For Justin not then.
You want as well as the car.
This guy brought his entire like die cast.
Even my keys are DDR.
Cause he has no license yet.
Then he gave me this. Look at this.
Hey, keep it PG, come on.
Oh no, my balloons fell. So chaotic. Hey, you should be my cameraman. Where's Keith?
Yeah.
Hello. Are you that Dowdy, right?
Yeah. Happy 10k.
Thanks so much.
No problem.
Yeah, this is the second die cast that someone has given me today.
Hey, no problem. Hey, wow, it was damn good. I was like looking for it and I found it.
I'll give you a sticker.
Hey, don't worry, don't worry.
Very famous cameraman.
Very nice. Hey, sorry.
Beautiful.
Hey, thanks very much.
It has your name on the back.
Hey, sorry lah, brother. Hey, thanks. Hey, congrats again for 10k.
Yes,
Congrats.
The orange color BM. Just stick on it.
Whoa. How do you... What? Okay. I'm just gonna put it on his wiper.
No, you put here. You know what you put.
okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, there we go. Wow, what a display. Yo, this guy has a tablet on his cozy coupe. That's dedication.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Oh man, we have an M4. It's Brian. He's here. Let's go. I will save a sticker for him. Okay, because I promised to give out free drinks today. So I got these. Okay, let's start.
This is the one of one.
Why are like 5 people filming me? I'm just pouring drinks.
Very entertaining. I have been waiting here since 9 AM for you.
Bro, what the
And I haven't eaten anything yet. I don't go straight here.
No, you're joking. Go ahead, eat.
Yeah, I will take and I will keep the top forever.
Very good.
Very nice.
Okay, y'all can take this first.
Yeah, I want to keep the cup. I want to keep the cup.
Y'all need to sign the cup. Huh?
Yes. I actually wanted you. You know, I had
Do your how many million?
wow, 10 million.
10k lah. I'm not so big.
Happy
Do
birthday to
your
10k.
10k.
Happy 10k.
Okay, to Jec'sphotos reaching 10k subscribers.
Yeah, 10k. Yeah, 10k.
To 10k.
Let's go.
For being here from 9 AM until now.
Okay, SLJ's CLA is here. I need to give him his sticker. There it is. Justin. Hello. Hi SLJ, thanks for supporting the channel.
Thank you so much.
Yay.
Yes.
Let's go.
Congrats and thank you.
Thank you.
So write your name and then say best wishes.
Thank you, Asya. Yeah, I have to take video to prove everyone that I meet.
There's no way y'all are keeping this cup.
We're gonna sell it on Carousel.
That's not your phone.
Yes. See, I'm serious, bro.
How? Okay.
Here at the bottom.
It's my marker is black though.
Wow.
It's there. It's barely noticeable.
Yeah,
Thanks for coming though.
I am coming when you reach 20k. I coming here.
Arshuni on Instagram.
Go follow. Yes.
I
Go follow.
sell 118 diecast and ideally a Prius.
Yes. Go follow Ashuni. This thing just turned up. It has air suspension and work Meisters. So clean. And pink calipers. Seal of approval to this guy. But I have no idea where he is though. We gotta go find him. Oh yeah, I should just put on the white. And he writes a personalized message. He messaged me that he was coming, so I have to give him the sticker. Officially approved. I love how everyone's displaying my stickers on their dashboard. We have the DB9. Then we have the CLA over there. This has it too, but it's kind of wet. There you go. Actually sign.
Yeah, on the key, it's on the phone. Thank you very much.
Can't believe I'm signing someone's like airport case today. How should I sign it? On the bottom?
Thank
There
you.
you go. No problem.
Can sign my phone?
But your case is so nice. Sure thing. Where should I sign it on?
Here.
Like where? Here?
Yeah.
And drop in a soda. Hey balls.
With balls?
Yeah.
Nice.
Can sign you. And then also draw balls over here. Thank you.
Oh my god, the Altis! Oh, it's Iggy! It's Iggy! Oh my god, we had the V8 by turbo and like the actual Mercedes.
You know, just now I tried to wheel spin, right? My car just redlined because it has zero traction at all.
I'm not surprised. Oh, we have the 458 Lisa.
People running higher.
It's been long enough.
Thank you.
There you go. Finally, a seal of approval. And look, I wrote your name. Thanks for
Spell it
coming.
correctly.
Yeah, I actually spelled it correctly. I did my research. Finally, the famous wing from the decathlon video. It's back.
It's tilting back, but okay, I think that's...
It's missing the Pagani exhaust though.
Put a sticker there.
Yeah, I just draw
that's
4
pretty.
circles here. Hey, I'll give you your sticker soon. It's there somewhere. You need a sticker.
Carrera, the Ethan.
Oh, he's coming?
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay, I'll get them ready. He's the first guy to actually paste my sticker at the meet, so look good. The 10k card joins the cozy groups. Hey. We need to arrange these though.
But it's the newer one. And it's a 5 engine.
We got the A69, which I'm gonna approve. You get a special one-off seal of approval. What is that? You see the entrance though. That was amazing. That's the way to enter a car meet.
It's like you set off my car alarm.
I give you the seal of approval.
Thank you,
there you
sir.
go. Someone need to do the pops eh?
No, but you know you must hear.
I'll hear it. Let's go.
Ah, not have.
How close this guy want to bang yeah? I'm signing your earpiece today.
And
What
you
else?
sign my phone.
Your phone cover.
Well, actually, I think you sign my phone because it's hard to see. But
Yeah,
can
I think you should also
Oh
sign
my
my phone.
god. This is like, it's giving me pressure. It's your actual phone. So I actually sign your phone?
Yeah.
Legit I sign
Phone pressure is what they say.
Okay.
They ask you to sign it.
You asked me to sign one This like it's recorded on video.
It's my fault, right? If it's spoiled.
There we go. It's a bit faint.
Hey, can you sign my phone also?
How do you want me to sign this?
I don't know.
Where?
Sign
Anywhere.
Sign on my
Anywhere?
retainer box. Sign on my retainer
Hey, be
box.
happy nobody
Jesus.
actually signed a condom
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, I'm not as big as Larry.
I watch your videos a lot.
Yeah,
Thanks, man.
I've been eating the camera too many times.
yeah, sign on my retainer box.
Thank you.
Retainer box.
I was on your LFA video.
Oh, we have a new M4 that just came, and we also have a GTR.
Okay, hello. Oh yeah. Where's the sticker?
Hi, the stickers are there. You park first, right? Later I'll give it to you.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Hi, here's your
thank
sticker.
you so much.
Yes. Say hi to Ethan for me.
Well, definitely. Thanks so much.
Thanks for coming. Bye. Yes, please. Thank you. Thanks, man. Bye.
Bye, Josie. Bye.
You're leaving already.
How do I take photo?
Bro, we need to make this a sticker, bro. 1, 2, 3.
I sent you guys.
Yeah, I also send 1
Oh my god. Please do not fight at my meet, please.
Oh yeah, we should totally start a fight at Jack's meet. Anything say Jack's.
I'm gonna ban you in future.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Close.
Drag race.
Jack race.
My one is chaotic. flip for the SV. There's so many people at the exit. What's your name? Okay. Yeah, there you go. I signed your paper. Thanks. I take the 1, you take the 0, you take the K. The 10K parade.
10K. Ref? No. Public place.
It's okay, it's okay. I allow you to ref once, this once. Bye. There we go.
Mission accomplished.
Officially approved. The cozy coup. Yeah. Don't panic. Wait, I'll get your sticker. We got the next recipient of the seal of approval. Where is he? There it is.
Get out 1 year,
Hi,
wait,
Spurs,
wait.
you are now officially.
I'll put it on later.
Thanks.
Can I go and buy this?
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Clementi.
Thanks for coming. Round 2 of Ferrari revving. It's already
Yeah, I don't find I exit for dinner.
Okay, bye. So this thing just pulled up to the meet. This has a crazy livery, crazy body kit, crazy color scheme, and there's like a cat in the passenger seat. Influencers in the wild, bro.
Cute lah, let him do his thing.
Hey, okay lah. He's enjoying himself lah.
He's enjoying himself, he's cute,
Okay, you can beat that. You can definitely beat
Oh, my
that.
car very quiet. Hey, bye-bye, drive safe.
It's gonna pop.
Oh! Bye. Bye. Enjoy your seal of approval. Thank you.
That's a Vios.
Why does it sound good?
Toyota power!
Amazing.
Louder!
Ooh, look at that sound. This is the last car to come to my 10K subscribe.
Hell yeah, bro.
This trap car Vios, which like sounds pretty good, honestly. This car is going to break before around this.
Bye bye. Here, do you know?
Oh.
That's our cue to meeting call. That's our cue.
Yes.
I like that.